I don't know what this is. The movers broke it. It literally collapsed. And it was a pain. Broke this. It's like living in a cocoon or something. And I'm like a clean freak. So tired. I'm like in a food coma. Like a large ass. Good morning, everyone. So today it is my move-in day at my apartment. So I'm gonna be driving 3 hours down to Temple, and then I will show you guys my apartment. I finally made it to my apartment. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. So that's my kitchen, my bathroom, and then walk-in closet, and then washer dryer that was here, which I paid for because you have to rent it. Wow, I love the size. It's pretty good. Just for myself. My bedroom. What is this? Pantry? Nope. Another closet. Pantry? Pantry. My backyard, guys. My porch. How do I open this? There's too many. I don't know what this is. Oh, one sec. One sec. Okay, good size. And I'm in the back, which is good because the sun. And then I think this one is my storage. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I actually have to go back home and go to my Lexus appointment because there's no Lexus around this area, so I'm about to go drive up. But before that, I need to show you guys my apartment and kind of update you guys on the past few weeks or past few days since I've been living here in this new apartment. So starting off with my bedroom, which I'm here right now, as you can see here. I don't have a bed frame here because the movers broke it and there was a screw missing, and then my freaking brother jumped on my bed and it literally collapsed. I ordered one online already. I don't know when it's coming, but it will be soon. I don't have anything here. I was thinking putting like a desk or whatever, but then again, I don't really need a desk because I can just use my kitchen. But this is my room. And then let me take you guys to the front. So when you first walk in, it is the kitchen and the living room. So I like that I have this island here. This is where I can just work on my homework or any classes that I have. And then the kitchen is here. This one is actually from the model home because the one before this broke, and I like that it's automatic with the ice machine. These are all like stuff that I can store, not a lot though. Still working on it. I want to give a shout out to my friend Arminta for getting me like the pots and pans here. I love it and I will definitely use it a lot, so that is such a great help. And then I bought these to like organize all of my stuff. Shout out to my brother for buying me my utensils. But I bought these on Amazon called Made Smart, and it helps a lot with being organized and putting everything where it's supposed to be, rather than like looking around for the thing that you need. This one as well. And then moving on over here, these plates, all of these, most of these are new, and the rest were all from my parents' house in the closet. So when I first moved in, I actually had to wash all of these, and it was a pain. And then I had to wash these because they're new, and my wine glasses as well. All of these are like Tupperware containers, whether it be for myself or for like parties. I washed all of these as well. These I didn't because we always use these, but these were in the closet in the very back and nobody used it since, so I had to wash those. And I had to wash these as well. I bought this one in Kohl's. It's really nice. It's great for like one person. Over here you can put all of your pods. You can put it right back, save space. And then these are for all of my coffee stuff. My friend has a Starbucks in her work, and they were told that they have to learn how to make stuff for the guests because she works at like a gym that is part of a hospital. And I told her to find a caramel frappuccino or a iced caramel macchiato recipe and take a picture of it and send it to me so I know how to make it at home. And it involved this, so I was like, yes. Moving on to my living room, I don't have a coffee table yet. I'm not sure which website to go on. Like, I've been on Nebraska Furniture Mart and Wayfair, and I haven't found the one that fits the style. For here, the theme is like tropical island, like Guam. On the kitchen and in my bathroom, which I will show you later, it's like more coastal, more beach themed. I feel like the living room is where everyone will gather and the heart of the apartment, so I want it to be the heart of Guam. These two pillows I bought in Michael's for like $4 each because it was on sale. I had to put up these, painted that. This one, shout out to the same cousin that got me this, to getting me this sticker, and then I put it in a scrapbook paper and then I framed it. And then this one I got on Etsy. I thought it was so pretty. These I got from home, like the shelves, and then the P I made myself along with the K over here. And then this one is from my cousin's wedding. He gave me this because I helped out in his wedding. This one's from my friend Amber. This book I got from my friend A, but I haven't finished reading yet. Then this one is actually from Target, but I painted it to make it look like the lattice stone, which is this and this. Of course, these books, I love them. This I painted. This couch actually from Nebraska. I thought it was really pretty because it's unique and the lines remind me of like a seashell. This is from home. The movers freaking broke this. This guy in charge of the movers bought a glue from like Home Depot, and then he taped it and then screwed it in. It works fine, but it's still just messed up that they did that. And then this was actually a part of my bed, but I decided to put this small pillow here because it looked nice. And then this one is actually a blanket, a mermaid blanket that I got from Amazon a long time ago. It's like living in a cocoon or something because it like snugs your legs. And then I got a new TV with internet as well. I need to go to Spectrum and ask if I can get a DVR to record all of my recordings. Especially when I start working, I won't have time to catch up on all of my shows. So I gotta record that. Although a lot of the shows are missing because I don't have CW, because I took the basic package because I'm not about to spend a lot of money. Over here is like my closet. I just put like my ironing board, my Swiffer, and like just extra storage. Over here is like my pantry. I got a lot of these from home. Pasta was on sale in Target for like $1, so I just had to get it. Rice, you definitely need rice and a rice cooker. Last but not least, my bathroom and my closet. So here's my bathroom. This is what I'm talking about, the coastal theme look. And then of course over here, I painted this painting. If you haven't watched that video of DIY with Wine episode 2, be sure to check that out. This is my closet, very organized. As you can see here, these are all of my jackets, my going out clothes, my scrubs, my shirts and other stuff, and then my bottoms. These are all my like fashion design stuff. I had to bring my collection because I don't want someone to steal it. I need to show you guys the things that I've made. What's great about living by yourself is that you can make whatever you want, and I like to experiment and try new recipes. Like I made adobo. In different regions of the Philippines, they have their different style or take on the chicken adobo or pork adobo, but for where my mom is from, they like to use sweaty seeds for like the coloring, so they want it to look like orange color. So I didn't have that, so I had to use soy sauce for coloring. I've also made, like, for the first time, creamy mushroom, what else was that? Ground beef pasta, which I'll show you a picture right here. And then I also made broccoli rice that I saw on The Kitchen by Katie Lee. That one was really good. And I'm like a clean freak, so after I cook them, I wash all my dishes and put them back because I don't want to have to worry about it, because the moment I start eating, I get so tired. I'm like in a food coma and I'm lazy to start washing dishes, so I gotta wash it before I eat. Well, there you have it, you guys. That is my apartment tour. I definitely will show you guys once I get my bed frame, just an update on one of my vlogs. And once I get a coffee table, I'm actually gonna get a new TV stand because you can see all the cords in the bottom and I do not like that, but that is not a priority. And oh, I forgot to show you guys my porch, which I am so excited to work on, but that's not gonna be until like later in the year. I don't wanna go outside, but here is the space. Good size for one person. That one is actually a closet. For my patio, I want to hang up lights at the top, definitely. I was trying to find bamboo fencing, like a roll to fence around the railing, because that's what I saw on Pinterest and it looks so pretty. And I'll get like maybe a table and a chair or two, I don't know, depends. Definitely want to get a rug because it's dirty outside, but I'm excited for that one. And so right now I'm about to head out. I'll definitely stop by the gas station, definitely go get Buc-ee's to get like a large ass drink because it's gonna be 2 hours and 45 minutes to drive up, and I want to leave before I hit traffic. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more from me, join my Primasi Posse by subscribing to my channel, hit that like button on this video, and I will see you guys soon.